The committee has had a good 2 hours inside this historic Pierhead building, a very appropriate place really to discuss future energy policy and planning and the environment, because this after all was the headquarters of the Cardiff Railway Company, of the Cardiff Docks Company, a very good example of unsustainable energy and the reliance on carbon. And here we are discussing how we reduce our consumption of carbon. But it's great that all these organizations came here and played the speed dating game which we've had, because we've got public bodies who are accountable to our ministers. We've also got organizations and groups which are campaigning, and so we've had the whole range of representative bodies here, and they're all feeding in to this process of developing a policy for the Welsh environment, and in particular looking at energy and planning. And if you've got anything you want to say to our committee, you're very welcome to contribute, because this is a proper exercise in democracy in Wales and in seeing how we can make those words in our constitution, the Government of Wales Act, of our commitment to sustainable development, make them really work and mean something for all of us.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.